Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the Vroid Studio 3D Manga Cartoon avatar into Blender 3.6 with full rigs, full materials and full facial shape key, which is ready for you to perform the 3D animations. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. The Vroid Studio is a free software. First, you can just go to my video description to get the Vroid Studio from the official site. And then at the same time, in the Blender, you need to go to my video descriptions to download the VRM add-on for Blender release. Once you already download this as a zip folder, you just need to maintain it as a zip folder. I already put it on my desktop. And the next step, I'm going to show you how to import this add-on. Just go to the Edit Preferences, go to the add-ons, click Install from the desktop. Double click the zip folder that you had downloaded, click Install add-ons, then search for VRM. Then once you already see the VRM format, you have to just tick it to make sure it is activated. Alright, now in the Blender 3.6, I press A and press delete button to delete everything. And now if I click File, Import, then you can see a VRM. Then in the Blender, it is ready. Next, in the Vroid Studio as demo, I'm going to just use the sample avatar A and wait for a while. Now it is loading the avatar sample A. Right. Once it already finished loaded, or if you design your own avatar, once you're done already, what you need to do is just click here, export as VRM, and wait for a while. Now it is going to load the VRM exporter, although it shows not responding, but it is just 1 second. Next, click export and fill in the title Model 01. The creator, put your own name, Freedom. Then scroll down, click export. Now it is exporting, it is processing, just wait for a while. It is going to prompt what are you going to export. Now as demo, I'm going to export it on my desktop. The name, I will name this as Model 01 VRM. I click save. Next, you can see the VRM file already at here. Then in the Blender, you can just direct import it. Click File, Import VRM. From my desktop, the VRM Model 01. Now you can see it already successfully imported. And to here, just click here, turn on the texture. And now you can see it is ready for you to animate. If I click the facial mesh, then I click here, you can see all of the facial shape key are ready. For example, the first one, I choose the angry, then joy, to open mouth, it is at the bottom, to let the mouth open. It is really simple, really easy. Alright, if I want to manipulate the skeleton, just click the skeleton, then click here viewport display to show it in front, and that's it. I click the skeleton, go to the pose mode and have a try to see whether is that everything normal. Yes, now everything normal. That means this 3D avatar ready to perform the animations. It have the facial shape keys. It have a full rigs where you can control by using the keyframe. It is really simple, really easy. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorial on how to export the 3D manga cartoon avatar from Vroid Studio and then import into the Blender 3.6 to make it become a 3D avatar in Blender 3.6, which is already included all of the material texture with the facial shape key, that you can manipulate facial expression at the same time. It has the skeleton to perform the body motions. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing. See you.